What's up mga kabays? It's your resident biter, Rebites. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome to Finbar here sa Darwin, sa Negros Oriental. Is Darwin a city na ba? Let's ask them later. Anyway, look at that. It's so beautiful. I've only seen this through pictures dati. But right now, I'm here in the flash and it's so beautiful. So tara, let's tour the place out. This is their souvenir shop, I believe. But it's labeled a deli. I think para siyang deli. Oh, okay, they sell food here. Let's tour it. Ooh, souvenirs and ice cream. Oh, chicken liver pate, homemade, and then some other products. Oh, it's so cute. I think this is a hammock. Let's see. Oh yeah, it's a hammock. I'm right. This is cute. Oh my god, these are so cute. Sling bag. Ang cute naman ng mga bags nila dito. And then here, they also have shirts. And oh, mga stuff, mga souvenirs. Oh my gosh, oh, they have sunscreen. Mineral sunscreen. It's nice. It's good for surfers. Their own local coffee. And then their Alex. They're so cute. Okay. This is a really cute shop. So what I know about Finbar. Oh, this is my inaanak. Hi inaanak. What are you saying?
The ball.
The boat?
The ball there.
The ball. Okay, so tawag dito. I've been to the old Finbar dati and it's so tiny. This is my bestie. Hi baby girl. Aurelia and Bezzy Mayan and Frankie. The hubby. I'm gonna tour the place out muna and let's remove our shoes very quickly kasi bawal daw mag-shoes. So, let's see kung worth it ba magtanggal ng shoes sa taas. And yes, I've been to this place dati when it was still small and then it's oh, okay. Ang ganda ha, in fairness. When it was still tiny and then ano siya, ang tawag dito. What I know about it is that they sell their own products, their own alacs, their own rums. They distill their own rums and then their own stuff. So they have a book swap. And they also have staff who are wearing shoes, by the way. I think bawal sila bumaba. So parang baka their shoes here is for their ano lang, for the taas area. And then this is the other exit. So you'll also see a shoe rack dyan sa baba. But yes, this is the second floor. It's a great upgrade. It's a huge upgrade compared to what it was way back. Look at that. Hey! So, dati, as in, sobrang liit lang ng place na to. But right now, you won't see it. It's very different na. Oh, they have cabanas, that's why. And then I think it's all wood. It's engineered wood, this one. And then, oh, okay, kaya pala. Parang maganda dito. Parang worth it lang magpaa dito. So, may other guests. And then, okay. And then that's where I made a cat earlier. Hi! Hi! That's Don Joaquin. Okay. It's maganda. I like it. It's a huge upgrade. So their products, what they're selling is still similar to what they were selling dati. And then right now, ang tawag dito. Let's just sit here very quickly. But right now, hindi mo siya mai-imagine na ano siya, magiging ganito siya kaganda compared to how it started dati. Kasi, ang tawag dito, um, hindi siya ganito wala siyang ganitong concept. They're still selling the same products, the same food, the same presyo halos, but it's a huge upgrade. It's around the same address from where we entered. Ang ano nila dati, doon lang sa may bandang highway. sobrang hindi talaga maganda yung area dati. But they have lots of customers. Most of them are foreign people. And then, kasi they really love their products. They sell it, they make it. Sila yung gumagawa ng sarili nilang mga products. From the wines, to the alaks, to the everything that was sold inside the souvenir shop earlier. So they were selling yung mga um, basta yung mga pinakita ko kanina, parang ingredients ng mga food, delicatessens, kaya siya deli. So, delicatessen siya. And then they also sell yung mga, ano ba, yung mga shirts. I think everything that they're selling here, is, except siguro sa mga ganyang drinks, their own products siya. But yeah, nakaka-proud lang. Hindi mo siya maano na, wow, may ganito pala kami dito sa Negros Oriental. But yeah, it's a pretty worth it upgrade from the way it was before. The last time, I think that was the only time I was at Finbar dati. It was siguro 10 years ago. I don't know, 5 years ago. But yeah, ayan na siya. Ayan lang siya. So let's just eat sa baba. Hi! Oh, so yung mga ano nila, mga staff nila, naka-shoes talaga. I don't know anong difference ng shoes ng guests at shoes ng staff, but hindi nila nire-remove yung mga shoes nila. So, ito yung area, again, from the earlier. So, yan yung the other rack from earlier. So, yung shoe rack, if you need to remove your shoes. But I'm just really so curious, bakit ano siya, bakit nagsushoes yung mga mismong customers? Yung nag-shoes yung mga staff, eh yung mga customers bawal. Mas madumi ba yung shoes ng mga customers? Ayun ko, baka hindi naman siya masyadong big deal. Pero yeah, let's just eat. Hi, Frank. Saan sila? Ayun lang. So let's eat. Join us. Let's try their food. Yeah. Wala kay ko, di man kay ko gutom. Kay, hanggang hangover ko ba niya? Namaham man ko ganiha.
Pizza.
Yeah, pizza. So, ayan. First honor.
So yummy. So delicious.
Lagi. Natingala ko kay Gashus ang ilahang staff sa taas. Pero
Yeah.
kung customers dili, I don't know why, mas malinis ba yung shoes nila? Feeling ko, naa sila yung sariling shoes for work. Tas,
Kasi dili gikan sa outside ang ila shoes.
pero kasi nakita ko sila nakatapak dyan kanina. Kaso, yung mga grass lang naman siguro yung nasa labas. Siguro mas malinis yung shoes nila.
Hmm.
Ewan ko lang, anong difference ng shoes? Binibig deal ko talaga, no? Pero hindi naman siguro siya masyadong big deal.
Ano may salt?
Hmm?
Ano may salt?
Mahilig ko sa salt. Basta ano,
Para french fries?
sa fries. Order pa ka?
Additional si Mayan Ogbat.
Ayun.
Pizza. Pizza.
Dapat may hot sauce.
Dito.
Uy, hot sauce?
Ano bantay?
Emily?
Mayan ka?
Ano, na-conscious ka?
Hindi man. You're on live?
Wala mo ko live. Ano lang siya? Emily.
Kasi tag-edit.
Si Emily.
Kasi ka-edit.
Ano, Emily, may hot sauce ka ba? Hot sauce?
But mom needs more diapers.
Oh.
Tito Noel has a question for you.
What?
Come. Yeah. Go there.
Okay.
Let's vlog. Daddy is gonna get some diapers.
Yeah.
You're on my video. What do you wanna say? Tell the viewers to subscribe to my channel. Sorry, may hot sauce kayo? Ayan na. What do you wanna say? Tell my subscribers, tell my viewers to subscribe to my channel. Tell them, hi, please subscribe to Riri's channel. Ano, Emily, I have a curious question. Ano, bawal yung shoes ng customer sa taas, pero pwede kayo mag-shoes sa taas.
Oo, kasi mahirap naman sa amin
Pag nakapa.
Oo.
Pero I have a question. Ano, so yung shoes nyo, you bring a different one papuntang work?
Yung iba, oo.
Yung-
Pero yung sa taas, sila lang talaga sa taas.
Sila lang
Oo.
talaga. Pero yung,
Pero yung ano naman, isa lang naman yung runner na.
so yung runner,
Oo.
bawal siya umapak sa dumi. So anong reason nga para hindi madumihan yung...
Ano kasi, pwede ka kasing maghiga-higa doon.
Ah.
Parang feel at home lang, nakapangaka.
Ah.
Tapos may mga bata doon na nakaano. Ganun
Ah,
yung malinis.
okay, okay.
Tsaka, kaya
Wait lang.
maintain namin malinis.
Ayun
As much
lang.
as possible.
Hindi kasi,
Yeah.
nakita ko kanina nakashoes yung mga tao sa ano, yung staff.
staff.
Sabi ko, baka bawal sila bumaba. Pero nung nakita ko, umakyat si sir, yung
Isa
isa.
yung runner na.
Yung runner lang.
Oo, yung runner.
So kayo, bawal sa taas. Or pwede kayo mag-remove.
Ano na lang pag may food, tatawagin na lang namin sa taas. Tapos parang pass na lang sa
Okay. Ayun lang, curious lang.
Oo.
But I understand
Marami
naman.
rin kasi namang nagtatanong kasi ngayon na. Kasi nakikita nila yung staff na nakasama.
Okay lang. Kasi syempre, iba naman din yung shoes namin. So ayun lang. Thank you. At least na.
Pwede sa taas. Pwede naman pwede dito lang.
Sa baba. I think nakapunta na si mama ko dito. Ano siya, yung manager ng Red Rock Hot Spring.
Hindi ko maalam.
Si Charm. Ano siya?
Kagabi ata.
Hindi ko.
Customer namin ang charm kagabi.
Ano siya? Basta alam mo yung Red Rock Hot Spring. Yung sa Valencia na resort.
Doon sa Balandi. Hindi pa ako nakapunta.
Ano siya? Yung mama ko, yun yung manager doon.
Okay.
Yung owner ko, yung lola, auntie niya. So ayun lang.
Family business ang pala.
Yeah, family business siya. Family business.
Okay.
Kaya ang ganda nga dito. Sige. Ayun.
Nilipat lang namin dito.
Oo nga, nakita ko.
January 28 lang.
Just this year.
Going 5 months pala.
Kasi I've tried yung ano nyo dun dati, yung branch dun sa...
Andyan na. Yan talaga yung pinakauna. Yung may sa
Pero may isa doon. Di ba may isang fin bar doon? O yan lang yung sa highway?
Sa highway lang tapos ito na.
Nagustuhan ko dati yung Amaretto Sour. Dati. Oo, nakita ko nga Same price lang lahat. Or mas mahal.
May ano lang, kunti lang naman. Siguro mga 10, 15 pesos lang yun.
Pero lahat ng products nyo, kayo yung gumawa, di ba? Yun yung
Mostly.
pagkakaalam ko.
Mostly.
Lalo na yung rum. You make your own rum.
Sa mga infused namin, may lahat. May rum, may vodka, may tequila.
Kayo lahat gumawa.
May gin,
Yung mga spirits.
Yes,
Ayun lang. Thank you, Emily. I know busy ka. So, sorry na.
Thank you.
Thanks for, staying.
No
Mag-hi ka
worries.
sa vlog ko.
Hi. Anong name mo?
Riri Bites po. Riri Bites. Ano mo yung YouTube? May ano ka ba? May phone? Lagay ko sa phone mo. Ayun lang. Na-chika na natin. Na-confirm na natin. Bakit? Hi! Thank you. Okay. Ibang flavor siya, no? Sige. Thank you. Diyan na lang po. Ay, sorry. Ito na lang. Ayun lang. Thank you. Ayun lang, guys. Subscribe to all of my channels. Follow all of my social media. Nasa baba po ang link sa description. Bye!